guys? Back at it again. Today we are testing out cups on sound. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, first you have to do a regular test. Here it is. Ah! Okay, so that was decently loud. Okay, now we're gonna do 11 cups. Ah! Okay, slightly muffled.
It's a little muffled.
Now we're doing
Definitely
13 cups.
13.
Ah! Okay, that was 13.
13.
Still a bit more muffled. Okay, now we're doing 16.
Ah!
Okay, very muffled. Okay,
Definitely muffled, yeah.
really, it's not that great if you're trying out anything.
Oh, yeah, definitely not great. So, if you want to get volume, just don't use any cups at
Yeah,
all.
but if you don't,
want your mom
very
to hear
muffled.
you,
Very muffled. 16, and I'm sure you can even add more.
Oh, yeah, if you really, we could just
Stack them all up. You know what? Let's try it. Let's try it.
Let's do it, man.
I don't know how much this is. Here, I got you. Oh man, that is so muffled. So muffled. Okay. Hey, hit that like button.
Smash that subscribe button.
And subscribe to
Oh, yeah.
PewDiePie, because we don't like T-Series.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now we have our bonus.
The bonus.
A bowl.
A bowl.
Actually, a couple of bowls.
It's a bunch of bowls. We got a bunch of bowls.
Yeah, let's
All
go.
Oh!
Oh man, it's really not muffled. It
That's not
honestly just,
muffled at all.
rebounds back to
It
you.
actually almost hurt.
Alright,
Alright, let's
Okay.
go. Subscribe.
Like, subscribe to PewDiePie as well. 'Cause,
And if
no
you're
one likes
Yeah, if
T-Series.
you're subscribed to T-Series,